Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Priyanka. I hope you all are doing good. In today's video, I am going to share with you a review of these two compacts. So I have been trying these two compacts from the past 3 to 4 weeks to share my experience with you all about everything about these compacts. So the first compact that I have is Faces Canada Weightless Stay Matte Compact, and then this one is Biotic Natural Makeup Magic Compact. In summers, the climate is very hot and humid, so definitely we need some good compact to set our makeup. And if you are not using any makeup, in that case also you can definitely simply apply these compacts. They will immediately mattify your face, and that oiliness and sweatiness on the face, it instantly absorbs. Compacts also stop your makeup from budging, so it's very important to have some good compact in your collection. So first I'll be talking about this compact. This is Faces Canada Weightless Stay Matte Compact. This has SPF 20, it has vitamin E and shea butter, and you'll be getting 9 gram of product in this. So you can see the packaging. It's a very beautiful cardboard packaging. On the back side I'll be getting all the details. My shade is Ivory 01. The ingredients list is also mentioned. There is no paraben in this product, which is a good part. And you'll be getting the shade name, that is Ivory Fair. You'll be getting 3 years of shelf life, and the MRP of this product is rupees 199. But as usual, Faces Canada products are always available on very good discount, and I have taken this product on a buy one get one offer from Purple. It is a glossy black case. So this is very beautiful. I like the packaging a lot, and it's of good quality, and the packaging is quite similar with the Purple compact that I'm using right now. And on the back side you'll be getting the same details as was mentioned on the cardboard packaging. The only thing that is not mentioned is the ingredients. So the ingredients is mentioned on the outer packaging. So this is the packaging. You can see there's a good quality mirror over here. So definitely you need not carry a separate mirror if you're carrying this compact in your vanity and going somewhere out. And there is a very good puff inside. You can see it's a very good quality. So this shade is the perfect match for my skin tone. So if you are of my skin tone, so definitely you can go ahead and buy this compact, and you can see this shade. So it's quite good, and it's blending very well. So the next compact that I have is this Biotic Natural Makeup Compact. This is Biotic Magic Compact Skin Lightening and Whitening. It has SPF 15 in it, UVB protection. Packaging, you can see it's so beautiful, so girly, and it's very cute. I like the packaging a lot. So this is the outer cardboard packaging. So here you'll be getting the shade name, that is She Sail. So my shade is She Sail. This is good for fair skin tones. And on the back side also you'll be getting other details like it claims it gives matte finish, it is lightweight, it blends effortlessly, and how to apply. Use it daily for oil free and bright complexion. And you'll be getting the company name and other details, and you'll be getting the net weight. It is 8 grams. So there is 8 grams of product in this, and you'll be getting 3 years of shelf life, and the MRP is rupees 145. This is natural makeup, so it has natural ingredients and everything, but they have not mentioned anywhere the ingredients. On the Nykaa website also there is nowhere mentioned. So that is the only con that I found. So you can see the packaging, it's quite beautiful. I like the packaging a lot. It is so pinky girly. I just love the packaging a lot. I love such type of colors actually. And on the back side also you'll be getting all the details as was mentioned on the outer packaging. So there's a good quality mirror over there, as you can see. It's a very good quality. So definitely you can use this to apply this product. You need not carry a separate mirror with you. So this is the puff that came with this. This is also a very good quality, and this is the shade. This is also very good for fair skin tones. So you can see this, it blends so good. Now let's see the demo of these compacts. I'll be applying both of these compacts on my face, and I'll be so as you can see, I have not applied any makeup on my face. I have just moisturized my face, and I've used Alps Goodness Sandalwood Cream, and after that I've applied a sunscreen, that is Neutrogena sunscreen, and also I've applied a lip balm, tinted lip balm on my lips. So as you can see, there is a little bit shine on my face. So on the left side of my face I'm going to apply Faces Canada Compact, and on the right side of my face I'm going to apply this Biotic Compact, and I'll be showing you the coverage of both of these compacts. This is the applicator that came with this, so I'm going to apply this using this applicator. So you can see the coverage of this compact and the shade. This shade matches with my skin really well. So here you can see the coverage it has given me. It has given me a sheer coverage. Sheer to, I cannot tell as medium, it is a sheer coverage only. And you can see the mattifying effect. This side there is a shine you can see, and this side you can see. It has totally mattified. If you want any compact on a daily basis, definitely you can buy this compact. So you can only apply this compact on your face after applying a moisturizer and sunscreen, and it will give a good natural kind of look. And there is no kick off, as you can see. The powder is very fine, very buttery smooth. So now I'm going to apply this compact on the right side of my face. Here also there is no kick off. It is not very powdery. It is picking up well with the applicator. It is getting picked up well with the applicator. And it has a smell. So you can see. So this has also given me sheer coverage, and my dark circles are still visible little bit. So it has given me a sheer coverage, and it has also mattified my face well. You can see there is no sign on my face, this side and this side. And I see both of these compacts have given me equal coverage. They have equally mattified my face, and they have blended well on my face. And the shade is also quite similar. There is no difference in the shades. So both of these shades are good for my skin tone. So if you are having a skin tone like mine, so definitely you can go for both of these shades. So now I'm going to compare and tell you about the differences, the pros and cons about both these compacts. First thing that I wanted to tell you is about the packaging. The packaging is quite beautiful. They are quite travel friendly. They are of good quality. There is good mirror. Everything is quite similar about the packaging about both of these products. So the second thing that I'll be talking about is the price point. So the Faces Canada retails for rupees 199, and this one retails for rupees 145. So obviously this is a quite little bit pricier than this one. So if it fits into your budget, you can take this one or this one. Next I'll be telling about the shades. So in Faces Canada you'll be getting 4 shades, and in Biotic Natural Makeup Compact, in this case also you'll be getting 4 shades. The shade range is quite similar. One major thing that I wanted to tell you about the smell. So this compact has very mild smell, which is not at all that much detectable. It is very mild. So if you are someone who doesn't like smell in your compact, in that case you can go for this compact. It has a very light smell. And this Biotic Natural Makeup Compact, it has a little bit strong smell, so it might be bothering to some people. And the next thing that I wanted to tell is the ingredients. So in this case you'll be getting the ingredients list on the back side of the pack, so you can check which ingredient you don't want in your compact. So, and there is no paraben also mentioned, and in this case the ingredients are not mentioned anywhere. So that is also one con, because we don't know what is there inside this compact, so what they have used. So that is what is also a little bit bothering to me. Coming to the SPF count, this has SPF 20 in it, and this has SPF 15. So this one gives a little bit more sun protection in compared to this one. And coming to the mattifying effect, this compact and this compact I found quite similar. They're quite mattifying on face, and they work equally on my face, on my skin. So in this current condition, current climatic condition, it is very hot and humid. So this one stays for some 2 to 3 hours on my face. And this also is quite equal. It also stays for 2 to 3 hours on my face, and both of them give sheer coverage, and the coverage I found similar. There is not much difference. So definitely if you want, you can buy any of these compacts, and I recommend both of these compacts to you all. I hope this video is really helpful to you all. If you find this video helpful, then please do subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell next to it, so that you'll get notified whenever I upload my videos. And please give it a big thumbs up and share. So see you in my next video. Till then, bye and take care.